Every 18 seconds, somewhere in the world, a smoke detector saves a life. This small device, no bigger than your hand, is your home's most important guardian. Welcome to the story of the smoke detector, your silent protector that never sleeps, never takes a break, and stands watch over everything you hold dear. Fire is one of the fastest spreading disasters a home can face. In just 3 minutes, a small flame can engulf an entire room. Within 5 minutes, your home can be completely consumed by smoke and flames. But here's the critical fact. Most fire-related deaths don't come from burns, they come from smoke inhalation, often while people are sleeping, completely unaware of the danger. So how does this life-saving device work? Your smoke detector uses advanced sensor technology to detect even the smallest particles of smoke in the air. The moment combustion begins, whether from an electrical fire, cooking accident, or any other source, your smoke detector springs into action. Its piercing 85 decibel alarm cuts through sleep, conversation, and closed doors, giving you and your family those precious minutes needed to escape safely. Modern smoke detectors come in 2 main types: ionization sensors, which detect fast flaming fires, and photoelectric sensors, which excel at detecting slow, smoldering fires. Many experts recommend having both types or combination units throughout your home. And today's smart smoke detectors take protection even further, sending alerts directly to your smartphone, even when you're away, and interconnecting throughout your home so when one detects danger, they all sound the alarm. But here's what many people don't realize. A smoke detector is only effective if it's properly maintained. Test your smoke detector monthly by pressing the test button. Replace batteries at least once a year. Many people do this when they change their clocks. Clean your detectors regularly to prevent dust buildup. And critically important, replace your entire smoke detector every 10 years, as sensors degrade over time. Where you install your smoke detectors is just as important as having them. Place one on every level of your home, inside every bedroom, and outside sleeping areas. Mount them high on walls or ceilings where smoke naturally rises. Avoid kitchens and bathrooms where steam can trigger false alarms, but don't skip nearby hallways. The more coverage you have, the earlier you'll be warned. The statistics speak for themselves. Homes with working smoke detectors have a 50% better chance of surviving a fire. 3 out of 5 home fire deaths occur in properties without working smoke alarms. This simple device has reduced fire deaths by half since becoming common in homes. It's not just a device, it's a difference between tragedy and survival, between losing everything and protecting everyone. Your smoke detector asks for so little: a battery change, a monthly test, a replacement every decade. In return, it offers everything: protection, warning, and time. Because when it comes to fire safety, every second counts. Don't wait. Check your smoke detectors today. Your family's safety depends on it.